Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Chris at ito ang aming Simple Life. Note and comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of the JK Vlogs, and today I'm gonna take you with me to another wedding and check out the place. So pretty! Now, hanapin natin si Justin. Hindi ko pa alam kung nasan siya. Actually, nakita na kami kanina, pero hindi ko alam kung nasan siya ngayon. Found him. He's right there. Say hi! Hi guys!
Hi guys! Tapos,
focus natin sa chat. And the venue is called, ano nga to? Two Gardens dito sa Tagaytay. And it's so ridiculously gorgeous here. Let me just share with you some of the decorations that they have in the place. Just one sec. Okay. Okay, you guys better check out this photo booth. Oh, diba ang cute? Ah, that's so pretty. Now I'm gonna take you dun sa reception area nila. Okay. Here's the entrance. Again, I'm with my beautiful assistant. So, papasok na tayo dito. See, look at the place. You guys check that out. It looks so pretty. Check out the stage, guys. Ah! Hi, Chris. Nalamig ka ba? Oh! Ang lamig, no? Good luck!
It's so nice to be surrounded with beautiful. I'm happy that you guys are here joining us to celebrate this event, Courage. And of course, we are gathered here at Two Gardens, Tagaytay, this January 19, 2007. But first, I want to see those who traveled at least 4 hours to ask some of you guys. And please, if you hear the word go, you can raise your hand so that you can share your correct answers. You guys are free to upload the photos of today's event on your social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook.
Nandito sabi nila, wrong. Ang natuto daw mag-taekwondo ay si Tata. So wag loloko-loko si Ading.
Alright, ladies and venue, so our organizers are going to be ushering the fire.
temperature lab.
Malamig. I think it's around 23 and madali akong lamigin. Kaya tumutuloy si Pupo kanina habang nag-uusap. We're done with the first half of the wedding reception. So kakain lang tayo. Pagkatapos nyan, we are still going to vlog all the way until the end. By the way guys, I do events. Please do hire me on your next event. My contact numbers are gonna be down in the description box. For their Hi Ate Chris! Hi guys! Meron tayong subscriber! Hello! What's your name? What's her name? What's your name, Madam? Jorella. Follow her on Yes! And follow her Instagram. Art by Jorella. Art by Jorella PH. Follow nyo guys ha. As you can see, wala pa masyadong tumatayo para sumayaw. So I think si Elona ang mauuna. Samayan mo! Yeah, time lapse tayo. Ayan guys, sasayaw na tayo. Hindi ko talaga talent sumayaw pero gawin natin to para sa ratings. Mga nakita nyo naman guys, wala talaga tayong talent sa dancing department. Pero si Alona, siya ang mag-lead. Wala! Game! Sumayaw ka dati,
Eh, hawak ko yung camera. Paano ako sasayaw?
Guys, I'm with the beautiful bride! Bongga! Ay, follow nyo siya sa Instagram. Ang ganda ng Instagram page niya. Ano sa Instagram? Okay, yun. Follow nyo siya. Lalagay ko yung kanyang Twitter handle. And of course, si Sir Adid! Yes! Maraming salamat for that. Nag-stop over kami saglit dito sa, hindi ko alam kung ano tawag sa lugar na to, pero may KFC doon. Ate, ano tawag sa lugar dito? Ano tawag dito sa lugar na to? Cubiertos. Ayan. Sa anong Bacoor? Ha? Ay, Imus. Ayan. Ito yung Cubiertos sa Imus. Yung palang pangalan ng lugar. Tapos, maraming mga food stalls kagaya niyan. Tsaka yun. Nasa likod. Nakikita niyo ba? Sorry naman. Vlog.
Ay, vlog pala. Sorry. Ano sasabihin ko?
Wala lang. Ako, guys, oh, may viewer tayo. Amazing. Ano pangalan mo, sir? Ay, so nice to meet you. Pwedeng pa-hug. Daddy, pawa ka. Pa-vlog ako. Ayan, guys, Boards Avenue. Pakihanap nyo na lang sa Facebook. Tapos, they have great customer service. Sila talaga yung nagbe-bake, no, sir? Tama ba? Yes. I hope I'm not blinding you guys, but thank you so much for watching this segment of today's vlog. Sana